Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about how the U.S. military used cadavers for ballistics testing. In 1892, the U.S. Army Ordnance Department tested ballistics on human cadavers to study the effects of different weapons on the human body. The Army also selected live animals such as cattle for testing that were about to be slaughtered. Other than cattle, dogs, pigs, and deer were other animals tested. While testing, they figured out that 45 caliber bullets caused cattle to drop to the ground in 3 or 4 shots, when animals shot with 38 caliber bullets didn't even drop after 10 shots. Another interesting fact is that it matters what is being shot. A human that was shot may collapse on the spot, but animals don't know what it's like to be shot, so they rarely will drop. A deer shot through the heart can run 40 to 50 yards before collapsing. According to a theory by Dennis Tobin, a neurologist, the nervous system can be overloaded when a bullet hits an area of the brain stem. The reticular activating system, or RAS, is responsible for sudden collapse. The RAS can be affected by massive pain sensations in the organs upon receiving these impulses. The RAS sends out signals that can weaken certain leg muscles, causing the person to collapse. Being shot is a psychological thing too. In 1988, a Swedish neurologist named A.M. Göransson wired the brains of 9 pigs to an EEG machine and shot them in the hindquarters. Upon being shot, the EEGs instantly flattened, showing the shots had an effect. Being shot is more than it looks upon entry into a human form. Bullets blow open a cavity in the tissue around them. This cavity shuts back up almost immediately. To gauge a bullet's stopping power, this cavity must be viewed as it opens up. Kind and No, a gelatin company, invented a human tissue stimulant which, unlike human tissue, does not snap back. The cavity remains, allowing the judge to judge and record the bullet's performance. They found out a shockwave from a bomb damages what can be easily compressed, like lungs and air sacs in the lungs, when the blood picks up the oxygen. The shockwave compresses these sacs and blood can seep down to the lungs and drown the victim. It is a tricky business, and Australia and other commonwealths have banned ballistics testing on human cadavers.